DeFi has emerged as one of the top categories in the crypto space. According to CoinGecko, the total market cap of DeFi is around $84 billion. It promised to solve a lot of challenges in the present world, but the democratization promised by DeFi hasn't been delivered yet. This is mainly because of the complexities involved in this space. This is holding back the mainstream adoption and appeal to the non-technical people. In today's video, we are going to cover a project which simplifies DeFi for everybody. The project is DSpace Protocol. So, in today's video, we are going to find out more about DSpace Protocol, what exactly is DSpace, and more importantly, what is the problems that it is trying to solve. So, you definitely don't want to miss this video.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also, you can head over to Telegram and join our family. The link for that is given in the description below. Now, let's jump on to DSpace. First, let us understand what is DSpace. DSpace is an aggregated NFT marketplace and a DeFi hub that lets users interact across chain from a single intuitive interface. Now, what is the problem that it is trying to solve? So, DSpace will solve the problem users currently experience with accessing and using multiple decentralized exchanges and other DeFi solutions by giving users a single interface from which to use multiple DeFi and NFT platforms. So basically, it is a single platform from where we can use multiple DeFi platforms as well as the NFT platforms. DSpace is powered by DChain, which is a layer 2 blockchain solution compatible with multiple layer blockchain solutions powering the DeFi and NFT ecosystems. Now let's understand more about the DChain. Now, DChain will deliver what the Lightning Network promised to deliver for Bitcoin, that is speed, ease of use, and flexibility. The blockchain is the standard for facilitating cross-chain and multi-chain transactions across all major DeFi and NFT platforms through DSpace's aggregator, including liquidity pools, lending pools, and service and integrations with projects such as Uniswap, Aave, Compound, and many others. Now, let's take a quick look on the team at DChain. Obesi Francis Ifeku is the co-founder and CEO at DSpace. Let's take a quick look at his LinkedIn profile and find out about his work experience. So we are on the LinkedIn profile of Obesi Francis, who is the CEO and founder for DSpace. Now, if we just scroll down in his profile, we can find that he has been working in the crypto space for more than 5 years now, and he has worked in a lot of businesses. Some of them are like DAO Maker, wherein he worked as an Africa lead for the business development part. Also, he worked at Artifinity, where he led the community. Also, he worked at Volume Network Foundation as well as GoFind.ai, wherein he was the director of content and social media. So, from the CEO's profile, we can see that he has a good experience in the crypto space and he has all the abilities what it takes to deliver a good project. Now let's take a quick look on the products that DSpace has to offer. So there are about 4 products essentially which DSpace has to offer. The first one of them is the NFTs aggregator protocol. As mentioned earlier, DSpace would build an NFT aggregator platform using which we can use multiple NFT platforms at once. The main idea of DSpace's NFT platform is the ability for users to purchase or sell NFTs to one another in a decentralized manner. The DSpace NFT platform will also operate an NFT lottery platform that will allow users to win some NFTs based on certain platform events. So not only will we be able to use multiple NFT platforms through the DSpace aggregator platform, but also for using the aggregator platform as an incentive, there will be multiple lotteries that will be taking place and users may win certain rewards for that as well. Now let's jump on to the next product. The next product is the DeFi aggregator protocol. As mentioned earlier, DSpace will also provide an aggregation platform using which we can use multiple DeFi products all at one go. So therefore, if we have certain DeFi products lying on Uniswap, certain lying on Polkadot, certain lying on the Cardano network or certain other networks, we can actually use the DeFi aggregator protocol and access all of them at a single place. DSpace's DeFi platform will operate similarly to the NFT aggregator platform in terms of the DEX and liquidity protocol aggregation. Hence, DSpace will unify as many DEXs and liquidity protocols as possible to simplify the user journey while allowing users to earn DES coin when they either trade or provide liquidity to the DSpace DEX. So DES is the governance token for the DSpace protocol. Now let's jump on to the next product. The next product is the D-Lend. So DSpace lending product is known as the D-Lend, and it will be similar to the MakerDAO with the release of a secure stablecoin backed by DES coin and DSpace technology. It will also be possible for DSpace users to access and offer liquidity to other existing lending platforms. Some of them include the likes of Aave, Compound via DSpace of course, and they will earn transaction fees when they execute these transactions across the D-Lend platform. Now the next product is the DSwap. Now this is a cross-chain and multi-chain DEX with AMM protocol that supports limit order, staking margins and futures for easy crypto to crypto trades built on the D chain. So this will be more or less similar to what we have Uniswap built on the Ethereum network, PancakeSwap built on the Binance Smart Chain. Likewise, there will be a DSwap which will be built on the DSpace or the D chain. So what are some of the important points about DSwap that we need to keep in mind? So it will have a liquidity platform like Uniswap. It will have the ability to limit orders as seen on JuleSwap DEX. Margin and futures trading will also be allowed on this DEX. There will be instant cross-chain and token swap facilities given to the users. Also, liquidity farming and staking programs will be present just like similar to what we have on PancakeSwap as well as JuleSwap. Now, let's take a quick look on the tokenomics of DSpace. So in total, there will be 100 million DES tokens that will be in circulation, out of which about 11.5% were given to strategic investors. Private investors were given 5.74%. That is where I have invested personally. Apart from these, seed round investors would be given 4.5%. The DEX liquidity will be maintained by 5% of the tokens. The ecosystem will keep a reserve of 10%, and more importantly, public mining and staking rewards will be done through Depot and DPoS, which will be allocated 40% of the total allocated tokens. Now, let's take a quick look on the roadmap that DSpace has in plan. So, the Q3 of 2020 and the Q1 of 2021 was the very initial days for this project, wherein the team actually got together and the ideation took place. The Q1 of 2021 saw the initial DeFi and NFT platform mockup and the website development. Q2 of 2021 saw the DES token contract deployment on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, which will be followed by an IDO. Also, the Q2 will see several partnerships with relevant layer 1 and layer 2 blockchain solutions as well. Now, for the Q3 2021, DSpace plans to have the DeFi and NFT aggregator deployed on the testnet, that will be the version 0.1. Also, the DChain's Depot's algorithm testnet for DSpace aggregator deployment will also be taking place, as well as the DChain mainnet version 1 deployment will also take place in the Q3 of 2021. Q4 will see DSpace native DeFi and NFT applications on DChain, as well as ecosystem mainnet launch and global marketing for user acquisition. And December 2021 will be the period when the roadmap will be reassessed and the renewal and the further roadmap for the projects will be declared. So this is in short about DSpace protocol. Now, if you want to participate in the IDO, you can go ahead and do so, but there is also another great news. So if we go to coinmarketcap.com, we can see that DSpace is giving out a $50,000 of airdrop, and that starts in about 1 day and 21 hours from the time I'm recording this video. So you can actually click the link given in the description below and you will be redirected to this page and you can find out more about DSpace. So that's pretty much it about this video about DSpace. I believe this is a very interesting project which is looking to solve a major problem in the DSpace as well as in the NFT platform, which is cross-chain DeFi activities and cross-chain NFT activities as well. So I personally believe this has a great future going forward. Again, this is not a paid review. These are my private opinions about it. I have invested in DSpace and I thought it would be a good project for our viewers, for our family members to keep an eye on for the future. So if you like the content, please smash up the like button. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I know YouTube has been limiting the reach out for certain crypto channels and our channel is not an exception to that. So please smash the like button if you are watching this video. If you like our content, please do that. If you would like us to cover any other new project, please comment below and let us know which is the next project that you would like us to review. We would be happy to do that for you. Also, feel free to join our Telegram channel wherein we discuss about these new projects as well as all the existing projects, and it is completely free of cost. So if you have any questions about any particular project or Bitcoin or about your portfolio for that matter, you can either join this family for absolutely free or you can ping me personally. My Telegram is also given in the description below as well as on the pinned comments. So that's pretty much it about this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.